Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I am just heading to the allotment with my beautiful mom. Get it? Great man. Put my little feet. A bit dry, so I gave them a little water because it's been. Tallulah planted a random onion that she found and it's growing, so she's going to be so happy about that. We've decided that we're going to get a mini digger and she's so excited to use it. She's always wanted to use a mini digger. So it's like 27 degrees here in the northeast of the UK, which is crazy. But behind me is some pallets and I am going to try and build a little sort of shelving bench unit thing so I can get seeding some stuff. And next week me and my mum are going to be on the mini digger in here and we're just going to flatten the whole lot, and just because it's just taken a long time, taken a lot of work, and I just want to come here and enjoy it, and it's just a lot of work all of the time. So I thought the best thing to do would just be to flatten it all and then just start from there, strong foundations, get the roots out and just make it all flat, get rid of all the rubbish. So yeah, I'm just going to pot her on here in the greenhouse and build. So what I'm planning on doing with this is I've took the bottoms off, the bottoms of these, just so the bottom of it's flat. And then I am going to do the same on the other side and then just put lats on the inside, and then there should be a couple of shelves. So that would be great. But that first thing when I've got my cabin, minute, Libby.
Where they? Where am I going, this way or that way? I was.
So yesterday we built this amazing shelving unit out of some pallets that I had lying about. It's quite great if I don't say so myself. And we have went and got, I mean, some of these were here already, luckily. And we got some new trays and some seeds because we're going to get planting. And we are so excited. Mum's like ultimate thing to grow is turn up. So we've had to order some seeds online because B&Q didn't have them. What have we got, Mum?
We've got turmeric,
Yeah.
rhubarb, asparagus, leek, courgette, onion, red onion, purple Brussels sprouts, mixed beetroot, lettuce.
Purple Brussels sprouts, I didn't even know they were a thing. We're going to get some classic rhubarb, but we both were like, let's have some red champers. Yeah. So yeah, we're really excited to do that. And I am just putting some little screws in here for the keys. How cute is that? Little things like that are just so satisfying in here. The seeds are huge. Purple sprouts.
Aren't they? Yeah.
We have some golden courgette in these pots. In here we'll have some strawberries that I'm trying to revive because they were a bit dried out when I came, but there's still a little bit of green, so hopefully that'll work. And then we have leeks, red onions, lettuce, beetroot, purple sprouts. So the last one, we're going to plant some asparagus and we're just going to leave it as it is. Ew, I can't wait to just come back and see it all green.
Amazing.
Look at that. Oh my god. So happy with that. The garlic is coming along beautifully, and then in between the garlic I just decided to plant some spring onions and they are starting to sprout up too. So yeah, absolutely over the moon with that.